The world of work is changing faster than ever before. Every day, new advancements are being made that alter the way we approach our jobs and interact with our colleagues. Technology, especially digital technology, is rapidly transforming industries and reshaping the skills needed to succeed. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, no sector remains untouched by this digital revolution. This isn't just about robots replacing factory workers. It's about artificial intelligence changing how we solve problems, automate tasks, and even interact with each other. AI is now capable of performing complex analyses, providing customer support, and even assisting in creative processes. This rapid evolution presents both challenges and opportunities for workers at all levels. While some jobs may become obsolete, new roles are emerging that require a different set of skills and a fresh perspective. Understanding these changes and preparing for them is no longer optional. It's essential for anyone who wants to thrive in the future of work. Continuous learning and adaptability are now key components of career success. The first step is acknowledging the pace of this change. Technological advancements are happening at an unprecedented rate, and staying informed is crucial. What used to take decades now happens in a few years. The rapid evolution of technology means that the tools and methods we use today may soon be outdated. New technologies emerge and are quickly adopted, often disrupting existing industries and creating entirely new ones. This constant state of flux requires both individuals and organizations to be agile and forward-thinking. This means the skills you learned in school, or even your current job, might not be enough to keep you competitive in the long run. Lifelong learning and professional development are now more important than ever. This can feel daunting, but it also presents an opportunity to learn new things, explore different career paths, and ultimately shape your own future. Embracing change can lead to personal growth and new professional opportunities. The key is to be proactive. Take charge of your career development by seeking out new learning opportunities and staying ahead of industry trends. Don't wait for your job to become obsolete or for your skills to become outdated. Actively pursue new knowledge and skills to stay relevant in the ever-changing job market. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and be open to acquiring new knowledge and skills throughout your career. This mindset will not only help you stay competitive, but also make you more adaptable to future changes. The future of work belongs to those who are adaptable, resourceful, and willing to embrace change. Being flexible and open to new ideas will be key to navigating the evolving landscape. By understanding the forces shaping the future of work, you can position yourself for success and navigate this exciting new landscape with confidence. Knowledge is power, and staying informed will give you a competitive edge. This isn't just about individual workers. Businesses also need to adapt. Companies must recognize the importance of investing in new technologies and the continuous development of their workforce. Companies that cling to outdated models of work and fail to invest in their employees' development risk being left behind. The ability to innovate and adapt will determine a company's success in the future. The most successful companies in the future will be those that embrace technology, foster a culture of learning, and empower their employees to adapt and thrive in a changing world. Creating an environment that encourages growth and innovation will be crucial. The future of work is a shared journey, and by working together, we can create a more prosperous and fulfilling future for everyone. Collaboration and collective effort will be key to navigating the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead.
Artificial intelligence and automation are no longer futuristic concepts. They are rapidly becoming part of our everyday lives. The integration of AI into various aspects of our daily routines is transforming how we interact with technology and each other. From self-driving cars that navigate city streets with ease to personalized online experiences that cater to our individual preferences, AI is already changing the way we live and work. These advancements are not just limited to convenience, but also extend to enhancing safety and efficiency in our daily activities. And this is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to advance, it will have a profound impact on the job market, transforming entire industries and creating new ones we can only imagine. The potential for innovation is vast, and the possibilities are endless. Some sectors will be more affected than others. Industries such as healthcare, finance, and education are already seeing significant changes due to AI integration. Routine and repetitive tasks, particularly those in manufacturing, transportation, and customer service, are most susceptible to automation. This shift will lead to increased efficiency and cost savings for businesses, but it also raises concerns about job displacement. This doesn't necessarily mean mass unemployment, but it does mean a significant shift in the types of jobs available and the skills required to perform them. Workers will need to adapt to new roles that require a different set of skills, often involving more complex and creative tasks. For example, while robots may take over assembly line work, there will be a growing need for skilled technicians to design, program, and maintain those robots. These new roles will require specialized training and education, creating opportunities for those willing to learn and adapt. The key takeaway here is not to fear AI, but to understand its potential impact and adapt accordingly. Embracing change and being proactive in developing new skills will be crucial in navigating this transition. Identify the tasks within your current role or industry that are most likely to be automated. By understanding which aspects of your job are at risk, you can better prepare for the future. Then, focus on developing skills that complement AI and automation, such as critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence. These skills are essential for roles that require human judgment and decision-making. These human skills are much harder to automate and will be in high demand as AI takes over more routine tasks. By honing these abilities, you can ensure your relevance in the evolving job market. Furthermore, consider the new opportunities AI and automation will create. The rise of AI will lead to the emergence of entirely new industries and job roles that we have yet to envision. Entirely new industries are emerging around AI development, data analytics, cybersecurity, and more. These fields offer exciting career paths for those willing to embrace the technological wave and stay ahead of the curve. These fields offer exciting career paths for those willing to embrace the technological wave. By staying informed and continuously learning, you can position yourself to take advantage of these new opportunities. By staying informed about the latest advancements in AI and automation, you can identify emerging opportunities and position yourself at the forefront of this technological revolution. Keeping up with industry trends and participating in professional development will be key to thriving in this new era.
As artificial intelligence and automation reshape the job landscape, it's crucial to focus on developing skills that are uniquely human and difficult for machines to replicate. These skills are not just about technical know-how, but also about the qualities that make us inherently human. In a world where machines can perform many tasks more efficiently than humans, our unique abilities become our greatest assets. These skills will be highly sought after by employers across industries and will be essential for navigating the future of work. As we move forward, the demand for these human-centric skills will only increase, making them invaluable in the job market. Employers are looking for individuals who can bring something extra to the table, something that machines cannot offer. One such skill is complex problem solving. This involves not just finding solutions, but understanding the problems deeply and approaching them from various angles. It's about seeing the bigger picture and connecting the dots in ways that machines cannot. While AI can excel at processing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns, it often struggles with problems that require creativity, intuition, and nuanced judgment. Machines can provide data and even suggest possible solutions, but the final decision-making often requires a human touch. Developing your critical thinking abilities, honing your analytical skills, and learning to approach challenges from multiple perspectives will make you invaluable in the age of AI. These skills enable you to tackle problems that do not have straightforward solutions and require innovative thinking. Another crucial skill is creativity. Creativity is not just about artistic expression. It's about thinking outside the box and coming up with novel solutions to problems. It's about seeing possibilities where others see obstacles. AI can generate content and even mimic artistic styles, but it lacks the ability to think outside the box, come up with truly original ideas, and connect with audiences on an emotional level. Machines can replicate patterns, but they cannot create something genuinely new and emotionally resonant. Nurturing your creativity, whether through artistic pursuits, innovative problem solving, or simply finding new ways to approach your work, will set you apart in a world increasingly driven by algorithms. Creativity is about breaking the mold and pushing boundaries, something that machines are not equipped to do. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is also becoming increasingly important in the workplace. EQ involves understanding your own emotions and those of others, and using this awareness to manage interactions successfully. As AI takes over more routine tasks, human interaction and collaboration will become even more critical. The ability to work well with others, understand their perspectives, and build strong relationships will be key to success. Developing your EQ, which involves understanding and managing your own emotions and effectively navigating social situations, will be essential for building strong relationships, leading teams, and thriving in collaborative work environments. High EQ can lead to better teamwork, improved communication, and a more harmonious workplace. Finally, never underestimate the power of adaptability and a willingness to learn. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to pivot and learn new skills is invaluable. The pace of technological change shows no signs of slowing down, so the ability to adapt to new situations, acquire new skills quickly, and embrace lifelong learning will be paramount. Staying curious and open to new experiences will help you stay ahead of the curve. By cultivating these essential human skills, you can future-proof your career and thrive in the ever-evolving world of work. Embrace these skills, and you will not only survive but thrive in the age of AI, making a significant impact in your professional life.